Hello everyone. Today I am going to talk about jealousy. What is jealousy? Jealousy is a fear of losing someone, envy someone. When people get jealous of someone or something, they give the energy of negativity. They give the energy of obsessive desire. They give the energy of not having enough. They give the energy of insecurity. They give the energy of low confidence, low self esteem. Because you know why we face jealousy, why we jealous of someone's achievement, jealous of someone's personality, looks. Because in ourselves we feel insecure our qualities, we feel insecure with our personality or anything, and when we see someone who have those qualities and who have those traits, we feel envious of that person, we feel jealous of that person, because we think that why he have everything, why I don't have anything, is I am not deserving. You will blame him, he is not deserving, he is doing bad words, but it is a jealousy which is stopping your true potential. Because if a jealous person go for a work, he will jealous for everyone. If anyone in his office do better work with by do better work, he will jealous of that person. In studies, a student who jealous of their friends, if your friend get good marks, get settle good, many people abuse their friends, say, oh, he is not well enough, he is only doing this, but you have to see that you don't go anywhere with jealousy, because it kills your ability to work on yourself. It kills your ability to know your personality. Because if you compare yourself to everyone, you will see yourself as a different angle. You are not in your own self. If I purchase a car, my friend come to my house and he see my car, if he react it with good sense of humor and good loving nature, then he get positive by that, he get inspired by that I also get that car, I also, maybe next year I also purchase this car. But a jealous person when come to your place, he will not give you compliments or praise your car. He just ask what is the importance of that car. Yeah, it is was not a good model, but in inner self he was jealous of you, because he think that he not have thing which you have. And if he think like that, he will stuck in that position every time, he will not grow by himself. Because if you have to grow yourself, you have to come to yourself. You don't have to go for a comparison for everyone in the life, in the universe. Because if you see in social media today's world, many people do compare their self, their body, compare their look, compare their communication, compare their finance, compare their stability, compare their relationship, compare their everything. And that comparison leads to expectation, obsession, which leads to doing wrong thing, crime, murder, rejection. So they are jealous of things which they don't have. So you don't have to be jealous of anything. If that thing is, if you deserving, you don't have to be jealous. If you are not deserving, then you will feel jealous, because deserving person know that I can get what I want, if not today, maybe next day. But a jealousy person always try to protect himself. He will try to protect himself from people, that no one see my things. I will take this, I will take this, I will take this, I will take this. They are distracted everywhere. So if you are distracted everywhere, you will not get to your own self and you will not get successful in your life. So if you feel jealous of anyone and anything in your life, praise that thing. If you see a person with good communication or good personality, praise him. Praise him with good heart, because what you give, that you attract. And if you like that trait of a person, embody it in yourself. If you want to get a car, see how will this person work hard, see his struggles. If you also want to do this type of struggles, you can go for it and you will also get that car. But if you feel jealous every time, you are not getting anything, because you have not taken action about that thing. So you have to see, if you feel jealous of anything, make sure remove your insecurity, remove your comparison pattern, remove your I am not good enough, I am not capable enough. Because everyone have a hand, leg and face, good face. But some people think that it is a very important to feel jealous. No, you don't have to feel jealous of anyone. You have to see the people who are disabled, who are not, who can't do anything, but they are also working on their life. They are also doing things to contribute to the society. So you have to contribute to the society with a good heart, not with a jealous and envy mindset, because this mindset not kill the whom you want to jealous. It will kill you. It will kill your potential. It will kill your ability to work. It will kill your self, your confidence, your courage. And these things lead to you in a very dark and very bad life situation. So you have to see, don't feel jealous of anyone. Praise everything, love everything. If you see anyone of anyone's relationship is very good, going very good, so you have to praise him. Praise him with good heart. Okay, oh, their relationship is very good, they are very good couple, they are very loving. So you will attract this type of thing. And if you say that, oh girl, she is, he get how he get the her, how he get this, you will also attract this type of thing, because you are giving the energy, and energy can't be replaced, it transforms, and what you are giving you will receive soon. So be yourself, work on yourself, don't feel jealous of anyone. Love you all, thank you very much.